Important! You will learn about Rslogix 5000 software windows in their default layout. This is how the software is arranged the first time it is launched after installation. If you change the default settings, some of the information you learn here may differ. When you open Rslogix 5000 software, the main window is displayed. When you open an existing project or create a new project, the Controller Organizer opens. The Controller Organizer shows you the contents of the controller project. It consists of a hierarchical tree of the components and component collections that contain all the information about the logic and data saved in the current controller project. The Controller Organizer can be moved, resized, closed, and opened based on your preferences. The Controller Organizer can be quickly opened or closed by clicking the Toggle Controller Organizer Window button, pressing Alt-0, or choosing Controller Organizer from the View menu. The Quick View pane consists of the area directly beneath the Controller Organizer tree. This area is designed to give you a quick summary of information related to the selected item in the Controller Organizer. Often, this information includes descriptive and status information, faults, etc. The Quick View pane can be resized or hidden by dragging the split bar. At the top of the main window, the title bar displays the name of the open controller project as specified in the controller properties. The title bar contains the name of the application, the name of the controller, the name of the project file if different from the controller, the type of controller, and an asterisk if the project contains changes that have not been saved to the project file. The menu bar contains menus with commands grouped by function. For example, the Edit menu contains commands to edit logic. The Search menu contains commands to search for items in a project. The Standard toolbar, or Main toolbar, is used for many functions that are standard to most Microsoft Windows applications such as Save, Print, and Cut. If you need information about these or any other buttons, the pointer can be moved to a button and a tooltip will indicate the button's function. The main window also contains a status bar. It displays the names of menu selections and screen components when the pointer is placed over them, or prompts to indicate the software is expecting you to enter information. The main window also contains a number of Rslogix 5000 software-specific toolbars to help you perform certain tasks. To display or hide toolbars, from the View menu, choose Toolbars. Then select or clear the toolbar checkboxes based on your preferences. Most toolbars can be docked, floating, closed, and opened based on your preferences. To restore the toolbars to their default settings, from the View menu, choose Toolbars, and then click the Restore Factory Toolbar Layout button. Some additional toolbars are automatically shown only when they are necessary. The Online toolbar is designed to resemble the hardware faceplate of an actual controller. When the project is online and communicating with the controller, the Online toolbar displays the controller mode and status. Along with controller LEDs and key switch positions, the Online toolbar displays controller status, force status, online editing status, and, when available, redundancy status. Several buttons on the Online toolbar provide drop-down menus. You can also quickly access controller properties from the Online toolbar by clicking the Controller Properties button. The Path toolbar indicates the current communications path between the workstation and the target controller. The drop-down list on the right side of the Path toolbar allows you to select a recent communications path from a history of recent paths. You can also select a recent communications path history by choosing Select Recent Path from the Communications menu. The Who Active button allows you to access the Who Active dialog box, where you can select a new target controller or update your communications path. You can also access the Who Active dialog box by choosing Who Active from the Communications menu. When the project is online and communicating with the controller, the online icon in the Path toolbar is animated. The Language Element toolbar contains programming elements grouped by category tabs. These elements can be dragged into the active routine to assist with entering and editing in an open routine. The Language Element toolbar also has two scroll bars, one for the category tabs and one for the elements within a category. The Language Element toolbar contains different elements depending on the type of language you are programming. The Language Element toolbar can be customized by right-clicking the toolbar and then choosing Customize Favorites. In addition to the main window, Rslogix 5000 software contains a variety of other windows and dialog boxes to assist you in configuring, programming, and monitoring your projects. The Tag Editor Data Monitor window allows you to work with a collection of tags or named areas of controller memory. The Tag Editor, which is opened by clicking the Edit Tags tab, allows you to create new tags, delete tags, and modify tag properties. The Data Monitor, which is opened by clicking the Monitor Tags tab, allows you to monitor data online, change data values, and force I/O values. Tags in the Tag Editor Data Monitor window are displayed by scope, also called a collection. Collections include controller tags, program tags, equipment phases, and add-on instructions. Columns can be toggled on and off by right-clicking a column heading, choosing Toggle Column, and then choosing the column you want to hide or display. Tags can also be filtered by clicking the Show button. Then, in the Define Tag Filter dialog box, you can define what type of tags and data types you want displayed. The Routine window contains a visual display of the logic in a project. Depending on which type of routine in the controller organizer is opened, one of the following language editors will be displayed: Ladder Diagram Editor, Function Block Diagram Editor, Sequential Function Chart Editor, or Structured Text Editor. To enlarge the routine window, hide the controller organizer by clicking the Toggle Controller Organizer Window button on the main toolbar. You can open multiple routines at the same time for easy monitoring or editing. To view multiple routines in the same window and switch between them, double-click each routine you want to view. Tabs will be displayed at the bottom of the routine window for each routine. To view different routines at the same time, from the Window menu, choose New Window, and then open a different routine. You can also use the split bar in the routine window to view two different locations in the same routine. The Output window opens at the bottom of the Rslogix 5000 main window and is used to display errors, list search results, and watch specific tags of interest. The Output window consists of 3 tabs. Programming errors are shown under the Errors tab. The results of a search are shown under the Search Results tab, and a custom list of tags to monitor is shown under the Watch tab. You can open the Output window by choosing one of the tab names from the View menu. The Output window can also be docked, floating, or resized based on your preferences. Now you have a basic understanding of the windows and toolbars in Rslogix 5000 software. To help you use Rslogix 5000 software more efficiently, you should also become familiar with how to navigate through the windows and commands using both the mouse and keyboard.